Hi everyone, I got this beautiful VW Bus Diecast 1/18 scale, and because it's a special car, I want to put it in a special display case. So I got this garage from Amazon. We're going to open it up in this video. I'm going to show you how to assemble it, and at the end we're going to see the final results. So let's open it up. Very nice gesture that they give you a screwdriver with it. So this is everything you get in the box. So this is the ceiling, this is the floor, and these are the side panels and also the exit panel here. And this is the back panel, and these are the pillars, and this is for the lighting that is here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put the pillars here, and then I'm gonna screw them in. Just push them in like this. Do not over tighten it. And while I'm tightening the screws, I wanted to tell you that the panels are made mostly of wood, which is very nice actually. And now this is the back panel. It has these latches. They go into these holes here like this. And now I need to screw it in also. And one thing that is good about it is that all the screws are the same size. So now the next step is to put the side panels. And we need to remove the protective film. Guys, removing the protective film is a very difficult task. So this one has protective film on both sides. Now we need to put the ceiling. And the trick to put the ceiling is to put the pre-assembled garage here on its side. And then see these holes. They need to go into these indentations. So just put the ceiling like this and then align it. Turn it slowly. And make sure first that it goes in from the bottom. So now it is in from the bottom. Now hold the pillar with your hand and align it while pushing in slowly for the ceiling, and do it here also. Once it is in, turn it and screw it in. And now we need to put the light. We need to remove the 3M protective tape here and put it first like this. And now just tape it. For the light, it has this cable, so it needs a 5-volt adapter. Put this one here like that. And what you can also do is put these feet here if you want to. And we still have the front panel that we need to put in. So the trick to remove the protective film is to scratch it just a little bit from the side. Scratch it somewhere that it doesn't show. So this one slides here so that you can remove and put the car when you want to. This is the final result, and I really like it very much. This is the light without a car in. So let me put now the VW Bus. And if you light it up, it looks amazing. To close it up, you can slide this here like that. Let me show you also my Lamborghini Gallardo. And this garage can accommodate diecasts that are 118 and 112 also, so it's fairly big. So overall, I'm really satisfied with this garage, and it makes a perfect Father's Day gift. Now, I would have liked that the protective film on the acrylic panels will be easier to remove, but this is nitpicking. The overall result is excellent, as you see, and I like the display of my Volkswagen Bus now in it. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.